And yeah, the shortcut for exporting frame would be Control Shift E on Windows and Command Shift E on Macintosh. Yeah, I just press Control Shift E and export frame option is there, so you can adjust it, name it, and whichever format you want according to your convenience. So yeah, that was the source monitor with all the options showcased. And one option which I would like to show is in the source monitor, as I have this footage here, and what if before this frame it changes to this bridge kind of thing, and right now over here I want this footage. So what I can do is, like, at this moment itself I want this footage to be imported here, the area which has been selected. So rather than inserting here, I need to overwrite it here. So I would click on overwrite. So now if you see, this entire chunk which has been selected comes here. Let me play this. Yeah, so now there is no audio here, but this has been overwritten on this. Okay, so yeah, that was the source panel. One thing I wanted to show you more on the source panel is, suppose if you wanted to maximize the frame, suppose if you are not able to take a decision while creating any in points or on points, or like suppose this is a short screen, you're not able to take any kind of decision. So what you can do is you can come here on the source panel, you can right click here, and then you can go to panel group settings and then maximize panel group. Yeah, click here. So you get a very better view, and now you can easily create your endpoints and outpoints without any kind of trouble. And in the same way, if you want to like to minimize and come back to the normal view, then you can right click here and panel group settings and then restore panel group size. Yeah, so it gets back to you there with a normal view of the entire software interface.